Welcome to the Comm Systems channel. Today, we'll be talking about how video intercoms help ensure safe building maintenance. In any building, whether residential, commercial, or industrial, maintenance staff play a vital role in keeping everything running smoothly. But one big challenge is security. How do you make sure maintenance personnel gain proper access without putting the building or tenants at risk? This is where video intercom systems come in. With video intercoms, building managers can visually confirm the identity of contractors, technicians, or cleaning crews before granting them access. This prevents unauthorized individuals from slipping in during maintenance work. For example, when a plumber arrives, the property manager can see their face, verify their credentials, and then remotely unlock the service entrance. This creates a clear record of who entered and when, adding an extra layer of accountability. Video intercoms also improve communication. If maintenance teams need to access restricted areas such as electrical rooms, rooftops, or utility closets, they can quickly connect with security staff or building management for approval, reducing delays while keeping security tight. In emergencies, such as a water leak or HVAC failure, video intercoms allow real-time coordination between maintenance and management, ensuring problems are solved faster and safer. At Comm Systems, we design and install video intercom solutions that give buildings both the convenience of seamless access and the peace of mind of strong security. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more technology insights. Call us at 888-501-5885 or visit us at www.dvcsny.com.